keep moving because standing around is going to get us killed.
Then how fast can you run?
You'd want to be very fast. Yeah, fuck your vows. I did my dues. And you still fuck me with it. And there have soldiers. Things will get better. Hang in there.
Isn't it? Roderick! There you are. Lady Forrester.
What's wrong, Mother?
It's Griff. He was arguing with the Maester and things got out of hand.
Okay, what happened?
What do you mean to do? This could be our chance.
He's right. We must hurry before things get violent.
He's gonna see what happens when you harm a member of my family.
And mine. The rest of my men are still in the grove. They could be here in minutes.
Make sure they're ready to do some damage.
Sounds like a good time.
Fuck yeah!
Let's go.
Now,
Do I get...
listen for my signal. I'll strike my cane when I want you to enter.
Gonna strike your cane.
We'll be ready.
Alright, sounds like a plan. No one is suspecting.
I'm coming with you.
That's too dangerous.
Wait for your brother.
I don't care if it isn't safe. Griff thinks I belong to him. I need to show him I don't.
He's gonna die anyway. Don't let her cut him, okay? Suit yourself. Only bad things can happen when there's too much collateral damage around you. You better hope she doesn't die. Alright, everybody, move. We're here to take back our house by force. All of these fuckers inside are gonna die.
Tried to heal it, but the wound didn't respond.
Stop this at once.
Why?
You let that bite fester!
No, I tried.
You've tried harder for a fox.
My lord, please.
I am the only lord who matters here.
Good lord, Lord.
Roderick,
Help me.
tell your dog to obey his new master. And while you're at it, Elena Glenmore, what are you doing with him? You're supposed to be marrying me.
You? I'd rather marry a dead horse.
She's gone straight in.
Or I'll give you what I'm
Where's
giving
my
the
mouse?
master.
Excuse me?
What's going on here, Griff?
He's disobedient, just like you were, Roderick. Before I brought you to heel. So now he's paying the price.
My hand!
Don't believe you.
You're not the Lord here, Griff. And I'm tired of you pretending you are.
You think I'm fucking pretending?
Yeah, you're pretending.
You know what I think?
My brother is ready.
I think you need another lesson in humility. Just like your maester here. You can watch if you like. Then you'll see who's the man and who's the cripple.
Go ahead. Come at me, Griff.
My fucking pleasure. You're dead, Roderick.
Right, now call him in. He's on the ground. He's defenseless.
Grab him! Don't just stand there. He is not the.
Fuck yeah, that was the best way to do it.
What the hell is this?
This is your death.
What are your orders? I'm the only one here who gives the orders. What are you waiting for? Come on, defend your lord.
Kill anyone that moves.
I wasn't kidding.
Stop now!
Anyone who moves dies.
You can't do this.
Just did.
Now then, about humility.
Get your hands off me.
Maester, are you all right?
Yes, I think so. My father will go straight to Roose Bolton.
I did warn you, Griff.
You gonna hear me? Your friends won't be around forever, Roderick. And when they're gone, I will see that you... What's it gonna be, Roderick?
I'm not like you, Griff.
You're right. You are a fucking coward.
Find the Whitehills to the cellars. No one gets in or out.
Coward! Bloody coward!
Oh, bite me. I could just kill you. That was an option, right?
Word cannot reach High Point.
No, it
You
can't.
must be sure of it. Not as long as they still hold Ryan. Kill the ravens. All of them.
Kill the ravens. The poor birds. I don't want to do that. Well, I suppose there's no choice.
Where I will.
Fuck you and your
That's
queen.
enough. So long as you're in my camp, you will obey my orders. And getting pissed drunk before a mission.
Obey?
You know what kind of shit-brained fool does that? One who wants to fucking die out there. Have you lost your damn
I
mind?
am not some animal in a cage.
What in the seven bloody hells are
I
you
will
talking
not let
about?
you bark orders at me.
I'm glad to see you two are getting along. Warms the heart.
I'm not the one with the problem. It's him.
She can't fight like this, Asher.
You think I'm too drunk to fight? What the fuck
What
do
are you
know?
gonna do? Run out there swinging a fucking... Ah! Ah!
Still think I can't fight?
You fucking bitch!
Oh, there we go. There's the asshole I remember.
Hey, come on, Veska. Leave the poor
Let
man
go of
alone.
me before I break your fingers.
Deal with your friend. She'll get us all
You
killed.
sound scared, Croft.
This is bloody important.
You afraid your mother will spank you?
I will not let you two fuck.
I'll talk to her.
Good. If she can't hold it together, we're leaving without the both of you.
You think your little thumbcock can take Marine all by itself?
You need to stop drinking.
Never work with a bloody show like you
Veska,
anyway.
what the hell is going on?
You gonna lecture me too?
You can't even hit me.
Shit about anything.
Will you stop trying to hit me? Whatever your problem is with Croft, just let it go.
You think this is about Croft?
It's about the
You
fucking
think I
city.
give two shits about what Croft has to say? Your fucking uncle's the only reason I'm even here. He told your little dragon queen I would go into Marine with you. You get me burned by a dragon!
Just talk to me, Veska.
We're done talking.
What are you gonna do? Walk away? Go on, let it all out then.
Hit me. Oh, if this was a real fight, you'd be dead.
I'm not going to do that.
What are you gonna do? Kill me?
So what? You're gonna kill me because you don't want to go into some fucking city?
I was a slave! Here, in this fucking city.
Yeah, finally, it's out.
I was taken from my home when I was only 3 years old. When I was 7, my master threw me in the fighting pits to die.
When my master tired of watching me kill animals for sport, he started sending other children.
He's a
I
monster.
butchered every one of them. After a while, I thought the fear was gone. I thought I was used to it.
But you had no choice.
I did. I decided my life was worth saving. But theirs were not.
Exactly, you had no
There was a
choice.
boy.
It's
We
called
used to play
survival.
stones in the alley when we couldn't sleep. When I saw him next, he was in that pit with me. I saw the fear in his eyes. That same fear I felt my first time. And I realized it hadn't left me. I still wanted to live. I wanted it so badly. My master watched as I did it, smiling.
There's nothing wrong with wanting to live.
Thank you, little brother. I bought my freedom a long time ago, but I have always hated this place. Hated him. Dizor Zoraza. Because of that man.
Alright, you really need to stop
It's a
drinking.
city of dead children.
You're gonna be too drunk to do anything.
Don't worry about me. I won't let you down.
You're technically already letting me down. You're fucking drunk. You're walking all over the place. You're going to die. You're definitely dying.
You shouldn't say that.
Not.
Mira, I'll meet you inside. What are you doing here?
I have to get in there, Sarah. I know I'm not supposed to attend, but...
Then you know Lady Marjorie doesn't want to see you. What could be so important?
I need to speak with Lords Morgrin and Andros. One of them might be working against my family.
Doing what?
If I knew that, I wouldn't be here.
Look, I can't get you in. Marjorie's already furious with you. And I'm not really interested in joining you on her bad side. You're on your own.
Suit yourself.
Don't look at me like that. Fine. But you owe me, understand?
You are amazing.
She's with me. We'll stay out of trouble. I promise.
Thank you. I hope I don't get you into trouble. Well, that would be terrible.
Feels a bit strange to celebrate, doesn't it? Not so long ago, King Joffrey sat on the Iron Throne.
Tommen is our king now.
Long may he reign.
Sarah! I was worried you'd run off with your friend there.
And what if I did?
I'm not sure I could blame you.
This is Lady Mira Forrester.
Good evening.
Lord Garibald Tarwick.
She's quite lovely. Where have you been hiding her?
You're making her blush. Sorry, Mira.
You flatter me. Sarah's lovelier than us all.
I won't argue there. It's quite a feast, isn't it? Just be careful around the wine.
Oh yeah?
I hear you're partial to a particular Arbor Red.
Talking about
It's
me?
easy
Huh?
to forget. Nothing you do in King's Landing goes unnoticed. Drink too much once and you're forever the drunken fool. Talk to the wrong people and...
Lord Tarwick!
That's a bit cruel.
What was that about?
Nothing. That subject isn't fit for your delicate ears anyway.
That's just cruel.
Those are not delicate.
Of course they are. Look how tiny they are. Little loaves.
Stop it.
What?
I mean it. Is there someone you'd rather be talking to?
Yes, sorry.
My apologies. I just noticed Lords Andros and Morgan over there.
What a shame. Ruining a perfectly good afternoon with that nonsense.
Perhaps someone should encourage them to argue elsewhere. If you'll excuse me.
Yeah.
Reminds me of the tourney at Lannister.
I'll take them away and find out which one's trying to kill me.
But you would have loved it. We danced all evening, drank wine from our helmets.
That is it!
Andros, you're being ridiculous.
Okay, so he's Andros. And you're the other dude. Okay. Now that you're both separated, I can talk to each of you. Eavesdrop? Why would I eavesdrop? That's just not right. I don't feel comfortable eavesdropping. That just sounds like a bad decision all around.
Please, if you'll excuse me.
Good evening.
Mira, I'm impressed.
What?
Impressed with what?
I got
You
in?
aren't currently locked in a cell. I trust this means that you took care of that contract. How did you do it, if I may ask? I wasn't expecting to see you again, if I'm being honest. You must have made quick work of it.
I broke into Tyrion's study and stole it.
Risky, but it worked, clearly.
Hopefully
do believe
telling you
King's
this won't
Landing
bite
is
me in the
running
arse.
So, what have you been up to? Enjoying yourself? Though I suppose if you're talking to me, you must want something.
I noticed you and Andros arguing earlier.
I'm sorry you had to see that. I told him it was not the time.
What were you arguing about, if you don't mind my asking?
Well, a bold question deserves a bold answer.
Yes, answer my question. Information, please.
I've been pushed out of the Ironwood business.
Oh.
All thanks to my partner. Bloody imbecile. Andros is now Lud Whitehill's exclusive contact in King's Landing.
You sound valuable
No
now.
matter the fact that I introduced them in the first place. That man would be nothing without me.
Why would Lord Andros want to push you out?
You found a man he could manipulate. Someone who wouldn't demand an equal share. Lyman Lannister.
Of course.
He's working with a Lannister?
A third cousin, to be fair. Whatever Andros is up to, he clearly thinks Lyman can take my place.
Rickard, are you done flirting with that handmaiden? We need your opinion here.
Leave him alone.
Please excuse me.
I wanted to select a different option. Oh, is that all the options we could do? We have a common enemy. Okay, so I think the game wants me to talk to him, right? Find out what fuck. Why would I eavesdrop? Oh, it's just a crowd. Food, view, eat. Yeah. I don't see why you can't eat anything, right? After all, you need to blend. Don't look at him like that. Fucking hell, woman. Ah! I won't drink any wine. That sounds like a bad time.
Excuse me. Lyman Lannister?
Shit.
Yeah, you've drank way too much, huh?
You startled me. As if I don't already have enough to deal with.
Here, let me help.
That's very kind of you, thank you, but I'm fine.
Are you sure?
I just get clumsy sometimes. I'm afraid you have me at a disadvantage, Lady...
Mira.
Lady Mira. I'm not used to being approached so boldly. But I'm glad you did.
I'm sure you are. Look at her. She's gorgeous.
I always feel a bit out of place at big gatherings like this.
It's probably because you look like a boy.
What brings you over here? I'm not the best company, I'm afraid. Or were you headed for the wine and I got in your way?
You look like you could use some company. What are you doing all by yourself?
I don't mind, really. I only came to discuss some business with Lord Andros.
Great.
I'm told it's rude to leave early.
Oh? What kind of business?
I really shouldn't talk about it. Andros came to me in confidence. You understand. He wouldn't be pleased, I'm sure.
If you like, you can whisper it in my ear.
I suppose I could just...
Lyman! What do you think you're doing?
What? Nothing.
You stay away from him.
Andros! We were just talking.
Yeah, he's definitely the one trying to kill me.
Forrester. I didn't realize.
My lord?
Let me say this as plainly as I can. Don't ever meddle in my affairs again!
Well, that's the last thing I need. Everyone's attention drawn over to me. Oh, Lord. Can we hide? This looks bad. What do we do? Can we do anything?
Lady Marjorie.
Thank you. Sarah, you probably saved me from being thrown off the edge. It's probably safer to leave as well.
Lady Mira,
Hello.
that was quite a scene over there. Are you all right?
I'm fine. I can handle Lord Andros.
It's Lyman I was worried about.
What do you mean?
Honestly, that story isn't fit for a maiden's ears. Just be careful around him. All right?
Don't tease me, Lord Tarwick. I'll keep your secret safe.
I suppose I could tell you.
Ah, you're a good man.
If you'll first tell me something about Sarah.
Okay, what about her? Make it quick.
Your help could save me a lot of embarrassment.
Oh no.
Very grateful, Lady Mira.
What do you want to know about Sarah?
Sarah Durwell. Interesting name, that. Funny thing is, the last Durwells died off almost 200 years ago. What can you tell me about her family? Something isn't quite right, but I'm not sure. You must understand, I can't court a woman just because I like the way she laughs.
I've met the Durwells when I was at Highgarden.
Oh?
They're a small house these days, but very well regarded.
Ah, right. Well, that's a relief.
I'm sorry, I had to lie to you.
Moment, I thought.
And now, Lord Tarwick, it's your turn.
Thought she was a bastard?
Right. Lyman Lannister.
What about him?
10 years ago, Lyman was injured at the tourney at Lannisport.
That would explain his shaky hand.
Needed milk of the poppy for weeks just to keep from screaming.
Oh.
And between us, he's never stopped drinking the stuff. Can't stop, actually. He spent all his money trying to get more. The man can't go a day without it.
So that's why he shakes.
You mustn't repeat that, Lady Mira. I shouldn't even know about it. Besides, Lyman suffered enough embarrassment. And every man's entitled to his secrets.
Then why did you tell me?
Because of... well, maybe I shouldn't have.
Hey look, I appreciate you telling me.
Andros to trace this back to me.
You learned that from Andros?
The man's mouth is bigger than the Blackwater. Poor Lyman has no idea. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have some arrangements to make.
Well then, make your arrangements.
Lady Mira.
I think I just saved her your love towards her or whatever, feelings. If I told you she was a bastard, you probably would have ran away. Okay, so do I have an option here? I could talk to him or leave, right? Should I? Oh, this is going to get me into trouble, so it is. This is where everything goes south.
Lord Lyman, we really need to talk.
I know what you're up to. I won't discuss my business with Andros, so please, please, Just leave me alone. You've landed me in enough trouble. Just leave.
Just be quiet, Lyman.
Be a little
Either
forceful.
tell me what you want, or go bother someone else. I don't have to stand here and take this.
Lord Andros has betrayed you. I know everything.
What? What do you...
The milk of the poppy. You drink it like wine. Ever since your injury at Lannister.
This sounds a bit too direct.
Andros wouldn't...
He's not your friend. He's been using you.
I trusted him.
He spilled your secrets. So why not spill his?
Yeah, why not spill his? Make it quick. I don't feel comfortable.
Hiring sellswords. Hundreds of them.
What?
Sell swords.
He's building an army for Lord Whitehill, big enough to march against Ironrath.
Oh!
In secret. No one knows. Or at least, he doesn't want anyone to know. I told him I'd keep quiet, but... well... now you know, too.
That army will destroy my family.
That was his hope, I'm sure, but I...
Alright, it's time for me to leave.
Bloody traitor.
Okay, time to leave. He's about to snap.
You promised me. Then you told everyone? What are you talking
Time
about?
to leave.
You're a liar. I should never have trusted you. She told me everything.
Oh, great. This is where shit's gonna hit the fan, isn't it? Run away, run away.
Lady Mira, you've just made a very grave error.
Well, you're the one trying to kill
Very
me.
grave indeed. You realize that, I hope.
No scene is a good scene. Attention won't be drawn to me. And sometimes silence is the greatest response. So he is trying to kill me. I fucking knew it. As soon as he gave me the options, I knew it was him straight away. So we're both trying to hire cell swords.
Where you're going.
Potter?
Let's see that map again.
So you're asking now, are you? Surprised you haven't taken it from my pocket already.
How much food we got left? Here we are.
Only a little bit.
Harried. How's the food?
This won't last much longer.
If Finn wasn't eating all of it.
It's not me.
Relax.
We'll have to stop soon. Look for some food.
There's no point lying. Lying is detrimental.
We're on the right track.
We're in cold. Low on food. Can't be lying to anybody. Is there a bear here? Oh, we sound like we're in trouble. Doesn't look like a brother. Looks like someone we might be able to trust, actually. Oh, free folk.
Oh, this complicates things. You stay here. I'll try and talk to her. I'm one of them.
Wait, what? He's a fucking wildling.
Relax.
They might kick me around a little, but whatever you do, don't come out, alright? She has to think I'm alone. If she sees you, you'll only make things worse.
Suit yourself. Just don't die on me. Fucking hell. If I listen to you...
No, I'm a friend. I grew up near Ardhome. You know it? I won't hurt you. Alright.
You won't.
I'm one of you. I'm...
You sure look like a crow to me.
You're dressed like one.
You out here all alone, little pup. Come out or I'll kill your friend.
or I'll make him scream first.
Listen, I don't want to fight.
Then you shouldn't have come here.
Please!
You should have stayed behind your wall.
He's not alone.
I can't risk it.
I knew a little crow wouldn't wander off by himself.
Leave them be, alright? Just take me.
I think I'll take all of you.
Let him go. That we're just passing through. We didn't mean any harm.
Right. You and your fuckless men just want to kill us all and take our land. But you didn't mean any harm.
Is not fighting an option where we don't actually die?
Garrett.
Kill them.
Don't kill us. Do I have to? I don't want to kill anybody.
Thanks.
Fuck.
Oh, no. We need him. We don't want to kill anybody. No one's dead yet. I don't want to kill her. Well, now she's dead. Do they even have a choice? And now we have no food.
Our food! Hey! Garrett! Garrett, no! She's not fighting yet! It's over! Just don't do it! Are those the last of our supplies?
Yes.
Oh. We can't stay here.
Yeah, no shit.
Come on. We can rest up ahead.
Did I make the right decision? I have no idea. I can only hope that wasn't a clusterfuck decision. But no one died in my little tiny platoon, so I guess everything's good. Well, he's wounded, so he's probably going to bleed out later. Fuck.
I thought I'd feel better seeing Griff dragged out of the Great Hall like that. You wanted to kill him, didn't you?
Yes, absolutely.
How did you know when to stop?
I didn't.
I don't think I could have. I suppose that's why you're the Lord. And I don't know what I would have done.
I just knew it wasn't right. I wasn't the Lord I wanted to be.
What do you think Lord Whitehill will do when he hears?
He won't know of this. Not until we want him to. The gates are barred and every raven in the rookery is dead.
Didn't have to kill them all, though, right?
There's been a message from High Point.
A message? That's worrying.
Whitehill invites you to discuss a truce.
He wants to make peace.
As if we're that naive.
Maybe this is an opportunity.
No, it's not.
To get behind their walls.
And do what? You'd be putting yourself in danger, Roderick.
She's right. What do you hope to accomplish?
We could get Ryan back. This could be our chance.
You're right. Now that we have Griff, we can propose a trade.
A trade? His son for my brother.
It's an option.
Then we have a plan. We'll leave first thing tomorrow morning.
If you're going ahead with this, at least bring the Glenmore soldiers.
We obviously need them here.
You can't mean for Roderick to travel unprotected.
What if the Whitehills attack Ironrath while he's gone?
My lord, You cannot go into an enemy stronghold unprotected.
Nor can you leave Ironrath vulnerable.
We have small folk soldiers.
They're barely trained, Royland.
Ironrath is ours again. The Glenmores will ensure it stays that way.
Let Arthur know at once.
Yes, my lord.
I hope that wasn't a bad decision.
Making the preparations.
I'm sure either of those options means someone is going to die.
Well, I'll need an advisor with me at High Point.
By rights, it should be your sentinel. But if we're going to an enemy stronghold, maybe you'd best take Sir Royland.
Why?
It's meant to be a negotiation, not a battle.
It's Roderick who must decide. Who would you rather have by your side?
Sir Royland comes with us.
I think I would like someone who knew the fights.
Defend Ironrath.
Very well.
Well, maybe that was a bad decision. I have no idea.
Roderick, I know I can't come to High Point, but I can't just sit around and do nothing. I want to help. Please. I'll do anything you ask of me, even something dangerous. I don't care.
Talia, you'll be the only forester at Ironrath while we're gone. I need you to rule in my stead.
I'll do my best.
I know you will.
I have faith in you, Talia. Ethan rose to this task, and so will you.
You'll do great.
I've known Lud Whitehill a long time. He's selfish, greedy, and arrogant. But he'd never kill a guest in his own home. At least, I don't think he would.
One can only hope.
I hope you're right, Mother.
Make sure that door is locked tight. He cannot get out.